Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Cloudy GTK theme. So to start off, open up the link in the description, as always, and go down to the information on the different themes. So there's a lot of different choices, as you can see I've outlined here. To get your hands on the theme, you just click on this link here, open a new tab, and click on Files, and then you want to download the one that you like the most. I'm going to get light blue. I'm going to let it download to my computer. While it's downloading, we can go down to the installation and extraction section. We're going to need to open up our terminal and then CD into the downloads folder. From here, we can extract the Cloudy archive like so. And as we can see, the Cloudy Light Blue folder is right here. Now, all we do is make our folder for themes if you want to do single user, which I will be covering in this guide. Sometimes I do system-wide, sometimes I do single user, but I'm going to do single user in this one. Create our folder, and then move into the downloads folder if you've left it for some reason, and move the files into the theme folder. And we can do ls themes just to make sure. And we can see Cloudy Light Blue is right there. So that is the installation. Now we can go to our theme settings. And for me on XFCE, I'm going to go to settings and then appearance. I'm going to look for style and look for Cloudy Light Blue. And I think they have a window manager theme for XFCE as well. I'm not entirely sure, but I bet you it would look nice with, one of these. I've got a bunch of them. Yeah, it looks nice with this one. But that's how you get Cloudy Light Blue working. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I think it looks nice. It probably looks better on GNOME or something like that, but it's really beautiful. I like the color blue a lot. So as you can tell, my folders are blue. So hit and miss on XFCE. Maybe it'll look better on your desktop. I really do think that you should check this out, though. Please check the link in the description to get it going, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.